Dear children, welcome you all for YouTube class. This is me, T.M. Manjunath, Assistant Master, Sri Anubhav Kinchappai School, Pada. Dear children, today I am going to continue the second part of the same justice. In my previous YouTube class, I have introduced you that how justice has been purchased like a commodities by these three persons. A person who have money, a person who have a power, a person who have a strength, he can able to purchase justice like commodities. Dear children, these three what we can say the powers like power, money and strength can be able to purchase justice like commodity. So here the poet is feeling so extreme expressions were explained in this poem, that is, justice has become commodity of sale for some people, though there are immoral attacks. You just see, dear children, some of grammatical aspects, that is moral is the opposite immoral. The opposite of moral, immoral. So this immoral attacks is being here on justice. So it has survived in a test of time only because it is inherent strength. Inherent means that is natural strength. Yes, of course, dear children, this justice is having natural strength. It has its own strength. That justice has its own strength. Even though that strength can be weak, a person who can have a money enough, he can able to purchase the justice like a commodities. So it means that, dear children, in Kannada, justice andre enu? ನ್ಯಾಯ. ಈ ನ್ಯಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಕೃತಿಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್, as I told, that is inherent strength. But when this strength can be weak, when the money can be have more power, when the strength can become more power, when that power means bureaucratic, or a person who are in a higher position, he can easily purchase those things like a justice in like a commodities. As I told in the previous class, how commodities like grocery items, daily needs, ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಗಿಸ್ತೀವೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಗಿಸಬಹುದು, ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So anyhow, in the poet, he wanted to explain how justice became weak, how justice can be weak in the power of money, in the power of strength, in the power of position of a person. Let's see. Anyhow, I am going to start this poem, that is justice. Dear children, you just listen to me, then I am going to explain second time. Okay? Yes. Justice begotten in exchange is no justice, for exchange is trade. A distressing gain through loss. Justice is inherent right, though wrapped in a black packs in a dark hall of race for survival, like a goat strands bound in mud till exploited. She is full like ice and still like a rock. No easy road to charm her soul, while hardship makes her no more justice. While justice is shackled to greed or a bribe, while justice is fished out of a popular mood, lost in a thick jungle of lightness night, like a rat caught in the sack of death, like a deer caught in a lion's lair. She never reaches self by herself. Justice with no heart for truth. Justice with no dash for right cause. Justice is indeed. Justice is a dead indeed, is the poet is saying. Dear children, here the poet have been explained so nicely how justice is exploited by a person. Justice is begotten in exchange, is saying. We get justice in an exchange of anything. It is not at all a justice, dear children. In the first line, the poet have been explained. If we get justice in exchange of anything else, in Kannada, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು justice ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Okay. If you want anything else, if you want money, a person can give money that easily he can get a justice. Justice is for only. Understand? Yes. For example, in Kannada, ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ತನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕೇಸನ್ನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೆದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ in exchange that anything we can get, anything we can exchange with the justice. ಯಾವುದರ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು justice in exchange ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. And he is saying that it is not at all a justice when we exchange anything else with the justice. If we get a justice with the exchange of anything else, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನಾದರೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್, ಅದು ನಿಜವಾದ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್, ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್. It is for exchange in the trade. How we can have in the olden day, when there will be no money, when there will be no coin, when there will be no currency. In a olden day, our old people, means I am telling you many years ago, before the currency comes, before the what we can say money come, ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ವಸ್ತು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಬ್ಬನ ಹತ್ರ ಆಕಳು ಹಸು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನ ಹತ್ರ ಜೋಳ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಹಸುವನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಜೋಳವನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನ ಹತ್ರ ಕುರಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಗೋಧಿನೋ ರಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಮಡಿಕೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಅವನು ರಾಗಿಯನ್ನು ಕುರಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ the poet are feeling so sad because that justice is like a commodities. It can be justice can get by exchanging some other goods. ಬೇರೆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. It is distressing again through losses. It is dishonestly. Distressing means dishonestly we can through loss what we can say, ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮಾರಾಟದ ವಸ್ತು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ dear children. So justice is one of the value that everyone can be inherit to write it. We can able to, in Kannada what we can say, ಸಹಜವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Justice is an inheritance of everyone rights. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬನ what we can say ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಹಕ್ಕು. No one on the earth you will not to get a justice, but justice is their right. Justice is their inherent right. As the poet is saying that ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಬದುಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಕ್ಕು ಇದು. What is this? Justice. But today it is exchange of anything else. It is not all that is here, dear children. We get a justice in exchange of anything else, as I told. It is not all justice. It could be trade or a business. If we get a justice in a dishonest way or in the dishonest gain, honest opposite dishonest, like this. Honest opposite dishonest. If we can get a justice in a dishonest way, it is not gain, but it is a loss, according to Praveen Kumar, according to poet. When you can gain it, it is a loss. Everyone should get a justice. It is their rights. Understand? It is their right to get the justice, dear children. Anyhow, this is the first para. The first para can the poet explain directly. We can able to purchase justice. It is a loss, not to gain. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೊರತು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. And the next para, the poet explains. Yes. Though wrapped in a black packs in a dark hall of race for survival, like gold strands bound in mud till exploited. If justice is covered with a black packs, with kept in a dark hall of race for survival. So justice is to be survived. How it can be what we can call it black pack. How the thing can be packed in a black color, understand, and kept in the dark room. In Kannada, ಈ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕಪ್ಪು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಗಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕತ್ತಲ ಕೋಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಂಗಾಗಿದೆ. Understand? It can't be found easily. It can't be appear easily. It can't be avail easily for others. It can be very toughly, very difficultly to be avail for the normal people, like weak people, like poor people, like this. What I am saying, and also it is not to be reached that type of the people, according to Praveen Kumar. So ಹೀನ, ದುರ್ಬಲ, ಬಡವ ಇಂಥವರಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಗೆ ಸಿಗದ ಹಾಗೆ it is packed in the black packs and kept in the dark hall. You know how the justice is? ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? It is like a gold strings bound in the mud till it is exploited. Where is how can be gold found? Gold can be availed not directly. Gold can be not found directly. So how it seems to be like a golden strips. It is bound in the mud. ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಿಗೆ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒದಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. When we can, ಭೂಮಿಯ ಆಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶ್ರಮ ಪಟ್ಟು ತೆಗಿತೀವೋ ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೊರೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಗಣಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಚೈನ್, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಂಗ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. It is not to be found directly. It is found in the deep of a mud. When we can be dip it, and then we can be get the gold. So like this, justice is like a gold strand. Mud, it is still exploited. And dear children, this justice is cool like a ice. Justice is cool like a ice and still like a rock. Not easy road to charm or soul, while hardship make no more injustice, dear children. Justice is compared here as a female character. The female, she is cool like ice. She is cool like ice. How ice is there? Ice is always cool. According to Praveen Kumar, justice is like this. How is justice? According to Praveen Kumar, justice is like a cool ice, and justice is like a rock. Rock can't be moved. Rock can't be, give a sound. It can't be melt also. So how justice is? Justice is like a ice. Justice is like a rock. It is not easy to road it. So somewhere there is in a particular place there will be justice, but this justice will not be found. That road of the justice will not be clear. So here it is not easy to attract like this. Understand? And it cannot be attract, charm or soul, while hardship makes no more justice. When, according to Praveen Kumar, it is not easy to attract the soul. According to him, if we suffer a lot, then we can get it. In Kannada, ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡಬೇಕು. When we work hard, that hardship makes the justice. ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Mean that how can we work hard? By spending money, by showing this power, by showing this strength, then the type of the person can easily get justice. As I told, weak person, poor person can't able to buy or purchase the justice. Why justice is shackled? Shackled means chained. Look at this word. Shackled. Shackled means chained. Justice. Why? God is asking a question. Why it is chained? Why it is shackled? With what? It is shackled with greed, shackled with bribe. In Kannada, what is called greed? ದುರಾಸೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆಯೋ, ಯಾರು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಂಪಾದಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, and it is a bribe. Bribe means ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ. Bribe means corrupt. B-R-I-B-E. Bribe means corruption. Corruption. Lanchakoratam. So today it is shackled with bribe and greed. Why justice is fished out from a popular mood. For example, fish can't be live without water. When you can feel, when you keep the fish in out of water, how it can be behaves. ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ಮೀನನ್ನು ಹೊರತೆಗೆದಾಗ the condition of the fish, you just understand that can't be relaxed. The fish can be live, fish can be absorb the water, fish can be take a breath in the water only. It means that fish cannot live without water. You just feel when you kept the fish out of water, what is the condition, what is the behavior of the fish. So same thing, the condition of the justice is now like a fish out of water. ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ಹೊರಬಂದ ಮೀನಿನ ತರಹ ಆಗಿದೆ justice. The poet is very clearly, he is very warmly explaining that Praveen Kumar how the justice is. Lost in the thick jungle of lightless night. What is called thick forest? Thick forest means there are many more trees are to be found very thickly. The branches were in a trees will join together. So one branch's trees with another branch's trees is mixed together. It's moving togetherness like this. There will be completely a dark. Understand? When there will be a thick forest, there will be darkness will be formed. The sun rays will not reach earth successfully or directly or correctly, because the branches were like how the mat have been it is there like this. The branches were covered in together with one tree with another tree like this. The condition of the justice is, you feel that when a person or when a thing is there in a darkness, in a dark or in the night of that thick forest. Understand? ಕತ್ತಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಲದ thick forest ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ in Kannada. Understand? There will be no sunlight. The condition of the justice is like this. Right? And the poet continues, like a rat caught in the sack of death. There is a game we are understanding. There is a cat. Cat is ready to hunt the prey called, what is the rat? In Kannada, ಹಿಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಸಂಕಟ, ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಚಲ್ಲಾಟ like this. The rat is a prey here. Prey means ಬಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಬಲಿಗೆ ಆಗುವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ. So the cat is playing with the rat. The cat is enjoying with the rat, but rat will getting when I will be a prey to the cat. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲಿ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದರ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ like this. So here ನನ್ನ ಸಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತಾ like this. When will my death comes? It is in the mind of rat. But here the cat can enjoying with the rat. So here the condition of the justice is like a rat. Understand how the rat is behaving, how the cat is now playing with the rat like this. This way the poet here explains so wonderfully that is how the justice is. And he continues comparing justice. It is like a deer, the caught of lion's lair. What is the resting place of lion? That is called a lair. So in Kannada, Sinha ಮಲಗುವ ಜಾಗ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಯನ್. ಮೈಪೆಯ ಗುಹೆ, ಲೇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ a deer voluntarily sorry enter into the lion's lair. What happened to deer and how the lion is enjoying? The same thing justice is here. So justice is here now. How the deer is in the hand of lion's lair. You feel that, ಜಿಂಕೆ ತಾನಾಗೆ ಸಿಂಹದ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಈಸ್. ಶಿ ನೆವರ್ ರೀಚಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಬೈ ಹರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. That justice never reaches herself by self. It can be justice with no heart. Dear children, justice is no heart. It never reaches by herself. It has no heart for forth. It is no heart for a truth. And it is no race, no dash. It is in a tight cause. Justice is dead indeed. According to poet, justice is a completely, what the poet is saying, it is completely dead. It means that it is not all for living. It is dead. Justice ಸತ್ತೇ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Justice is in virtue. It has value that ensure an exploitation of free life. In the present day society, it has become a commodity of a sale for some people, dear children. It has innate strength. So anyhow, this is the poem how poet Praveen Kumar have been explained. I want to precise, I will read a summary of this poem that is like this. If we get justice in exchange of anything, it is not at all justice. It could be trade or it could be business. If we get the justice in dishonest, the way our dishonest gain, it is not gain, it is a loss. Everyone should get justice, that their right. Everyone could get justice, it is their right. And it is covered with a black packs and it kept in a dark night and a dark hall of race, that for survival. Justice can be found, justice can be availed, everyone, it can be availed everywhere, but it is kept in the dark room. How can be availed to common people? It seems to be like a golden strips bound in the mud, and it should not be easy to get it. Again, if we get this by exploitation, justice is cool like a ice and still like a rock, and it is not easy to attract the soul. According to author, the suffer a lot you can get. If you want to get, you will be suffer a lot. It is not all called justice. It is, as I told, it is shackled, it is chained with bribe and greed. Why it feels like a fish and out of water. How fish behaves, how fish can act when it is came out of water, like this justice is now. And how the rat caught in the sack of death by the cat, and how the deer is in the lair of lion. It never reaches by self. It has no heart or the truth that no race for his reason. And it is not at all for a living. Today it is not at all for living, but it is a dead. Dear children, this justice is now, it is dead. Justice it is not living, according to poet. So poet has been repeatedly telling that it is purchasing, it is as I told, selling like a commodity. How commodity can be purchased in the shop like this? The people who have these three things, money, power and strength, he can able to purchase, he can able to get that justice like a commodity in anywhere on the earth. So poet feels so sad about. So that the poet is telling justice is not living, it is dead. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕವಿಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನ್ಯಾಯವು ಬದುಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸತ್ತೋಗಿದೆ. Like this. So this is a poem. The poet have been explained this poem very clearly, so very wonderfully, how justice is in today. So yes, children, now I am going to give you a homework. That is, you just open the page number 103. There will be 8 questions. You just answer to these questions and send it to me. I will meet you, dear children, in my next YouTube class. Thank you and all.